Hey everyone, welcome back. I've had another good week out there searching for cars. Came across some good ones this week, and so I want to share those with you. We've got a 3-pack that I've picked up. The Urban Outlaw livery red King Cuda spinning on the turntable already. And in that 3-pack was also a Hemi Challenger and a what looks like Pontiac Bonneville. Take those out. Already opened it up. This one's really cool with the really dark blue paint, like a deep blue midnight metallic with black racing stripes in the shaker hood, almost like a lowrider. And then in the same box, the silver Pontiac Bonneville. The Bonneville and the Challenger look like they're probably going to be exclusives. I haven't seen them in any blister packs in the main lines, so we'll see how that works. Also, sitting at Walmart all by itself, just dying for me to take it home, was the 71 Datsun 510 Fleet Flyer. This one's a new premium team transport from called Car Culture, and so in my area I'm sure it's going to be pretty much impossible for me to come across these. This one just happened to be sitting there in the shelf, but no sign of the others. So I'm not going to open up that one today, but I thought I'd show you that. And then also came across Premium Car Culture Open Track Series, so we'll open those ones up as well, and some that I already had and I decided to open up today, Euro Speed as well. So let's get to it and get these opened up. So first one in the Euro Speed Alfa Romeo Giulia Sprint GTA. This one is really nice, beautiful green color. Tampos front and back, racing stripe on the top. Very well done actually, this one. Backlights. Put that on a turntable. And then second one in that series, Project Cars BMW M1 Pro Car. So that's that one. Again, lots of beautiful bright tampos on this. Tampoed all the way around. Very nice. Put the Hot Wheels logo on the windshield. And the next one is the Mercedes-Benz 190E 2.5. That one there in black livery. Again, tampos front and back, pretty sharp, blacked out wheels. It's a nice one. And then obviously my favorite in the set is the Porsche 993 GT2. So that awesome card art right there, Urban Outlaw. I just love Porsche, so anytime I can get my hands on a Porsche, I will grab it. Unfortunately, when I found these in Walmart, there was no way I was going to be able to get more than one set. They are hard to come by. And number 5 of 5 is the Audi R8 LMS. Another one, nice card art. There's the car. I think this is a new casting when this one came out. Done nicely though. Tampos are well done all the way around. Several colors, red base. We've continued that right up the side of the car. And then the Open Track series. So there's your card art. That's pretty spectacular. I just love these. So the Momo livery, number 88, tampoed front and back. That's so awesome, and that's exciting. You got Mercedes-Benz on the windshield. And next one in the series, well, let's go back a little bit. So the Nissan Skyline GTR, I never did find, and I may never find. I may end up having to buy one of those off of eBay. So we'll keep an eye out for a little bit longer in Walmart. If I don't come across one, then... Oops, forgot to show you this one. So that's the next one, AMG. Oh, that's awesome too. Look at that. There's a Nissan in the back that I just can't find. So basically the same tampos that we saw on the mainline yellow Mercedes AMG, except this one's got a little bit more detail. The AMG on the spoiler is a bit bigger. Oh, and it's tampoed on the back lights as well, which isn't on the main line. And then we've got the Acura Nissan, or NSX rather, GT3. So that's number 4 of the set. And again, very nice, very, very nice car. It's exciting to see them doing these with this much detail on them. Makes them a lot more fun to collect. And then, let's see, last one I'm going to look at today, Audi R8 LMS. There it is again. That's pretty stunning. Let's get that out of the package. There you go. Again, a lot like the other one. Slightly different, but white, red, black. Pretty awesome. So there you have it. Those are a few things. Oh no, we got a couple more. Came across these Maestos as well. So these ones, you know, obviously not something I typically collect, but I do love muscle cars, so I grabbed it. And just want to watch the time here, make sure we're not going too long. For the noise, okay, so this one has an opening hood. Doesn't open too far. But looks like a little bit of a flaw on that. Very neat, very cool. Dodge emblem on the side. Does look like it has the rear lights painted in, although with the black around them you're really hard to see. Huge mufflers. Not sure what the deal is with that. They're exaggerated quite a bit, well, as are the wheels. There's the front. You can see they got that Charger imprint in there, even chromed out around the windows. There's a little roll bar in there. A little different. And then another one from Maisto we found was this one here. Oldsmobile 442. Okay, so this one, I mean, obviously a bit custom looking. The body lines might be a little exaggerated on this. But still kind of cool. Okay, now there you have it. So I hope you enjoyed. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Good night.